Hello children, let us solve part 2 of exercise 20A. We are going to solve question number 9 to 15 here. Let's start with question number 9. The base of a triangular field is 3 times the height. So let the height be h. So base is equal to 3h. Or you can say that b is equal to 3h. If the cost of cultivating the field at 36.72 per 100 meter square. So if I have to find the rate per meter square, it is going to be 36.72 divided by 100. So this is the rate per meter square. And the cost of leveling the entire field is rupees 49,572. So the total cost is rupees 49,572. So how do we get the cost? So we get area multiplied by rate per meter square, you get the total cost. So you get an equation over here. So area is half base into height into rate per meter square is 36.72 by 100 and the total cost is 49,572. Now base is 3h. So we write here half. In place of b, we write 3h into h into 36.72 by 100 is equal to 49,572. Let us simplify this further. So we get here h square is equal to 49,572 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 100. This 2 and 100 it will go up. Rest all this 3 and 36.72 comes in. So it is 3 into 36.72, which I'll write as 3672. And instead, I'll take one more 100 up there. Just removing the decimal of this. Now let us start dividing by 3. So if I divide 49572 by 3, 3 ones are 3, 1 carry 1 9, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry 5, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12. So if I divide 49572 by 3, I get 16524. Now we have here 2 and 3672. So let us divide this 3672 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6. When we divide 3672, now 18 and 2 6 are 12. 1836 when you divide by 2. Now 1836 and last digit 24 and 36. So these numbers are divisible by 4. So make it easy. So dividing 1836 by 4, you get 4 4s are 16. Again, 18 minus 16 is 2 and 2 3 4 5s are 20 and you get remainder 3 6 4 9s are 36. So when we divide 1836 by 4, we get here 459. We divide 16524 by 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. And then 4 1s are 4, 1 carry, 1 2 12. So 4 3s are 12 and 4 1s are 4. 4 1 3 1 and this is 459. Now 459, is it divisible? 4131, is it divisible by 459? Check. How do I check it? So last digit is 9 and in the table of 9 it is 9, 9s are 81. So let us check 459, 9s are what do I get? 9 9s are 81, 8, 4 5, 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 8 is 53, 5, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 5 is 41. Yes. So 459 ones are, and when I divide 4131, I get 9 here. So 9 into 100 into 100. So we get h is equal to square root of 9 into 100 into 100. So when it comes out of the root, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 100 is 10, and square root of 100 is 10. So it is 3 times 10 is 30, 30 times 10 is 300. So 300 meter is the height. Okay, so base, the height is 300 meters and base is equal to 3h. So 3 times height. So 3 into 300. So which is equal to 3 3s are 9, 900 meters. So this is how we got the height of the triangle as 300 meters and the base of this triangular field as 900 meters. Got it? Moving to question number 10. The sides of a triangular field are in the ratio pi is to 3 is to 4 and the perimeter is 180 meter. Find its area, altitude of the triangle corresponding to its largest side and the cost of leveling. Now remember 5, 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. So that means this has to be a right triangle. So this field is going to be a triangular, right triangular field. So where longest is the hypotenuse. So 5x, this is 3x and this is 4x. Let us take the sides of this triangle as 5x, 3x and 4x. And perimeter is given as 80. So we get 3x plus 5x plus 4x is equal to 180. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12 and 12 fives are 60. So you get 180 divided by 12. You get 15. So this is how x is equal to 15. And this is how we get the sides as we get the different sides as 5x. So this is 5x. So this becomes 5 times 15, which is 75. 4 times 15, this is 60 and meters. And this 3x, 3 times 15, which is 45 meters. These are the three sides. Now we are asked to find the area. So area of a right triangle is half base into height. So area of field is equal to half into 60 into 45. So 2 ones are and 2 threes are, so 30 and 45 times 3 is 45 times 30. You get this as 1350 square meter is the area of the field. Got it? 1350 square meter. Second, you are asked to find the altitude of a triangle corresponding to the largest side. So that means we need to find this altitude. Now the base. Now we also know that area is equal to half base into height. So this is the height which we need to find out, or altitude. The base is this 5x, which is 75. And area we already calculated. So half into base, which is 75, into h, which we have to find out, is area, which is 1350. So you get h is equal to 1350 into 2 divided by 75. Okay, so let us divide this by uh, 15. 15 fives are and 15 nines are. So 90s are, 5 ones are and 5 18s are. And h is equal to 18 into 2, which is 36 meter. Let us now find the cost of leveling the field at the rate of 10 per square meter. So cost of leveling, cost is equal to area multiplied by rate. So area is 1350 multiplied by rate, which is 10. So the cost of leveling the field is rupees 13500. 13,500 is the total cost of leveling the field. Got it? Each of equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 4 centimeter greater than its height. So let us take height as h and then the sides are h plus 4. It is greater than 4 centimeters. So h plus 4 and the base of the triangle is 24 centimeter. Calculate the perimeter and area of a triangle. So base is 24. We know that in an isosceles triangle, the altitude bisects the base. So this is 12 and this is 12. So let us use the Pythagoras theorem to find h over here. And each of these equal sides is given. You need to calculate the perimeter and area. So for knowing the perimeter, we need to know the value of h. So let us use by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, you get h plus 4 the whole square is equal to h square plus 12 square. So h plus 4 the whole square is h square plus 4 twos are 8h plus 4 square, which is 16, is equal to h square plus 144. This h square gets cancelled. We get 8h is equal to 144 minus 16. So since this 16 moves here, you have to subtract it. So you get h is equal to 144 minus 16. It is 144 minus 16. You get it as 14 minus 6 is 8. So you get this as 128. And this h comes down divided by 8. So h is equal to, when you do 128 divided by 8, you get this as 16. 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. 8 6 are 48. So this is 16 centimeter is the value of h, which is the height. Okay, now you are asked to find the perimeter and area. So for perimeter, these sides are going to be 16 plus 4, h plus 4. So this is going to be 20 centimeter. This is going to be 20 centimeter. So you get the perimeter is sum of all sides. So perimeter is equal to 20 plus 24, which is a base, which is 20 plus 20, 40 plus 24, 64 centimeter. Let us find the area. Area is equal to half base into height, where the base is 24 and the height we calculated as 16. So 2 ones are and 2 eights are 16 and 24 eights are 8 fours are 32, 3 carry, 8 twos are 16 plus 3 19. 192 square centimeter is the area of this isosceles triangle. Calculate the area and height of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 60. Now, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 times side. Let us take A for a side, which is 60. So, A, that is the side of an equilateral triangle, we get 60 upon 3, which is 20 centimeter. Now, you are asked to find the area and height. So, area, let us find area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. What is the formula we have? Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square, a square. So, which is root 3 by 4 into 20 into 20. 4 5s are 20. 20 times 5 is 100 root 3. 100 root 3 centimeter square. So, if we put the value of root 3 as 1.732, so 100 into 1.732, we get the area as 173.2 square centimeter. This is the area of the equilateral triangle. And then you have to find the height. So we also know that half base into height is equal to area. And we have already calculated the area. So half the base is 20. The height we don't know is equal to area, which is 173 173.2. So we get h is equal to 1, 2 ones are, and this is 2 tens are. So 173.2 divided by 10, which is 17.32 centimeter, is the height of this equilateral triangle. In triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degrees. So this is your angle A, which is 90 degree. And let us take this A, B and C. Your AB is x centimeter, AC is x plus 5 centimeter, and the area is 150 centimeter square. Find the sides of a triangle. So if x and x plus 5, and we know the area, so we know that in a right triangle, it is area of this triangle is going to be area of this triangle ABC is going to be half base, which is x plus 5, into height, which is x, is equal to 150. We solve this equation. So this 2 is going to go here 300. So we get x into x is x square plus 5x is equal to 150 into 2 is 300. So we get x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. Let us factorize this. So we need to find the factors of 300 such that the difference is 5. So finding the factors of 300 such that the difference is 5. So 300 is 15 times 20. The bigger one is going to be positive. So 20 and 15. 20 minus 15 is 5. So we get the factors as x plus 20 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. So if x plus 20 is equal to 0, you get x is equal to minus 20. If x minus 15 is equal to, you get x is equal to 15. Since the side cannot be negative, we get AB is equal to x, which is 15 centimeter. And you get AC is equal to x plus 5, which is 15 plus 5, that is 20 centimeter. Right? Now, let us find the side BC. So, we find BC by Pythagoras theorem. So, by Pythagoras theorem, you get BC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC AC square, AB square plus AC square, square of the hypotenuse, we are finding the square root. So root of, we get x plus 5, AC is 20, so 20 square plus AB is 15, so 15 square. So which we get this as 400, 20 square is 400, 15 square is 225, which is square root of 625. and square root of 625 is 25 centimeter. So this is how we get the sides of this triangle as 15, 20 and 25 centimeter. It is the Pythagorean triplet again. Got it? Moving to question number 14. The difference between the sides of a right angle triangle is 3 and its area is 54 centimeter square. Find its perimeter. So again, we have a right angle triangle. So difference is 3. So let us take again a right angle triangle where if this side is x, this is going to be x plus 3 and the area is 54. Now it is saying side, it has not mentioned the hypotenuse. So we will be taking this perpendicular sides. So let us find the perpendicular sides first, finding the value of x. So we have area of a triangle is equal to half base into height, where the base is x plus 3 and the height is x and the area is given 54. Same like the previous question. We get x square plus 3x is equal to 1, 2 goes here. 54 into 2 is 108. So let us bring this and let us bring this 108 here. We get x square plus 3x minus 108 is equal to 0. So find the factors of 108 such that the difference is 3. So we have 12 times 9. 108 is 12 times 9 is 108. 12 9 is 108. So we have 12 minus 9 is 3. So the factors are going to be x plus 12 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. So if x plus 12 is equal to 0, you get x is equal to minus 12. And if x minus 9 is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 9. So this is how we get the sides, this x which is 9 centimeter and x plus 3, 9 plus 3 is 12 centimeter. Let us find the hypotenuse. So we get this hypotenuse, I'll write h for that. So we get h square or h is equal to square root of 9 square plus 12 square. X plus 3 is 12. So this is we get 9 square is 81. 12 square is 144. Add this 4 plus 1 5. 4 plus 8 12. Carry 1. We get 225. So we get h is equal to 15. That is hypotenuse is 15. And then we find the perimeter. So this we got side as 15 centimeter. And then we find the perimeter. So perimeter of the triangle is equal to sum of all sides, that is 9 plus 12 plus 15. 9 plus 12 is 21. 21 plus 15, we get this as 36 centimeter is the perimeter of this triangle. The last question of this exercise. So we have an isosceles triangle ABC. So this is your ABC, where AD is an altitude. So AD is an altitude of this triangle. AB is equal to AC is equal to 30 centimeter. AB and AC are given 30 centimeter. And BC is 36. So this is going to be 18 and 18 because altitude bisects it. A point O is marked on AD such a way that BOC is 90 degree. So point O is marked on AD. Point O is marked. The point O is marked on AD such that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. So this is being marked in such a way that BOC is 90 degree. This is the right angle. That is how it is being marked O. Find the area of quadrilateral ABOC. Now area of this quadrilateral ABOC is nothing but it is going to be area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle BOC. To find the area of triangle ABC, let us first find the altitude AD. So we get by Pythagoras theorem, we get AD. We can find AD is equal to square root of 30 square minus 18 square. So 30 square is root of 900 minus 18 square is 324. Is 318 square is 324 and you get 900 minus 324 which we get as 576 root of 576 and square root of 576 is 24. So this is how we get AD is equal to 24 centimeter. Now let us find area of triangle ABC. ABC is equal to half of AD into BC, half of AD into BC. So half AD is 24 and BC is 36. So 2 ones are 12, 12s are. So you get 36 into 12, 30. Area of this triangle as 432 centimeter square. Now let us take this as x and x, okay, BO and OC, because this is a right triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we get x square plus x square is equal to 36 square. So which is 2x square is equal to 36 into 36. So x square is equal to 36 into 36 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 18s are. Let us keep the value of x square as it is. Now let us find area of triangle BOC. It is a right triangle. So which is half into x, which is half of x square. So let us take the value of x square from there. So half of 36 into 18. So 2 ones are and 2 nines are 18. So we get here 36 into 9. 36 into 9, we get this as 324 centimeter square. Now we are asked to find the area of ABOC. So ABOC is this quadrilateral, okay? So area of a quadrilateral ABOC is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle BOC. So which is 432 minus 324, which is 108 square centimeter. And we are done with this exercise. So children, if you find this useful, please share with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.